Hi friends, welcome. Today's busy essays for students and knowledge seekers. Pollution. What's pollution? Dictionary defines that the process of making air, water, soil, etc. dangerously dirty and not suitable for use. Pollution plays havoc in man's life. Pollution can be classified into many groups. Air pollution. When fresh air gets mixed up with any one of these, like smoke emitted by vehicles, industrial smoke, fires, dust storm, explosion, burning of waste, bomb and crackers, it kills the oxygen content in the air and becomes dangerous to inhale. It amounts to sickness like lung cancer, asthma, and many others. At times, it may be fatal too. One may recall the leakage in the poisonous gas cylinder in the Union Carbide Company in Bhopal that killed some hundreds of people and the cattle. Similarly, the twin atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the USAF during the World War II had killed lakhs of people and wounded almost equal number of it, besides making thousands of crippled even by birth. Thus, the fresh air is polluted. Water pollution. Olden days people fetched their drinking water from the rivers and drank them without even boiling. Such waters never did any harm to anybody. On the contrary, the river water that ran through the natural herbs brought medicinal effects too with it. But now, even the Ganga's water cannot be taken as it is. The reason to this dreadful situation is that the river water is contaminated. The industrializations may have its own advantages, but then the most hazardous wastage from the industries is let out carelessly and they get mixed up with the fresh river water and pollute it. Thus, the pollution spreads its wings to water too. Soil. Soil plays an important role to mankind. It is the good, unpolluted soil that helps the farmers. If the soil is spoiled again due to the letting out of the industrial wastewater, the soil becomes barren lands. Once it is affected, it can never be fit for civil cultivation. Similarly, it is the rigid soil that can withstand the structure. This way, soil helps us abundant measure. Furthermore, soil indirectly helps to get more rains. The trees that grow over them fetch rain. When the soil becomes unfit, it would be almost like a desert. That's why desert with no trees gets no rain and always remains a drought in barren land. While these three attribute to the major cause, there are many other things that amount of pollution. For example, when the rain water gets flooded, it gets mixed up with the drainage water and remains stagnant in many dwelling areas, and thereby it becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes besides polluting the groundwater. Caution. Life on the earth depends on the layer of ozone gas in the air. It protects the earth from the sun's direct ultraviolet rays. If air pollution is not controlled, the average temperature would increase by 2 to 4 C by 2030. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share and subscribe.